Hey guys, Rhodes here with a video essay on my process in texturing assets for our game. Let's go ahead and get started. So, I'm mainly just focusing on cleaning the UVs up and making sure there won't be any problems when I begin the texturing process. I'm keeping in mind efficiency and spacing. I want to make sure to give the UVs as much texture space as I can without overlapping or running over the borders. Next, I'm exporting the substance painter in order to isolate the UVs and assign them their basic colors. This is in order to be able to have the ease of knowing the shape and also having a mask for when I take the UVs into my painting software. Once in Clip Studio, I begin my work keeping in mind the materials and objects that I'm working with, while also not only keep looking at my concepts, but also exporting my progress into Blender in order to see the textures as I go along in real time, just in case if I see any problems or mistakes along the way, but also mainly if I just do not like how the textures look and I need to change things up. I also focus on giving the objects a sense of depth and detail without necessarily going overboard on said detail and making things too noisy. But that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed.
If you'd like to support our game, Draggo Sanctuary, or give feedback straight to the devs, be sure to follow our social media or join the Discord. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.